Hello, it's Saturday the 22nd of September, and in this video I'm just going to look at the latest Thunderball result from draw 2308. The machine used was Excalibur 6, set of balls 3, and these are the winning numbers: 2, 8, 14, 20, 21 and Thunderball number 3. Now, I didn't get any numbers. The numbers that I picked are these ones at the top of the spreadsheet just here. And what I'm going to show you in this video is how it was sort of possible to use this spreadsheet to predict the winning numbers. Now, this is where the winning numbers were in the run up to the last draw. So none of them are particularly outstanding on this chart. When we're looking at a chart summarising the two machines and 4 sets of balls that are currently in use since the number of main numbers went up to 39, and so if we narrow it down to just the machine that was actually used, then straight away we find that one of the winning numbers, number 2, was most outstanding in two ways. Of course, for that machine it was the most overdue for its frequency and also the most overdue. So 2 reasons to pick number 2 based on just that machine. So now if we look at a chart for number 2 on that machine, you can see one of the other numbers, 21, that's on the edge of the chart. Number 8 is one of the most overdue, so is 14, and that's to occur with number 2. And I'll show you where the winning numbers were on that chart. So you can see they're all mostly towards the more overdue end of the chart, and that's to occur with main number 2. If we narrow it down even further to the set of balls that was used as well. Now the chart is now very small. You see 21's outstanding on that, and that's for numbers paired with number 2. Now if we look at numbers individually and see where the winning numbers were, that's where they were on the chart for machine 6, set of balls number 3. So if we just look at set of balls number 3, regardless of the machine, you can see number 2 was by far the most frequent and most overdue for its frequency. Again, outstanding in 2 ways. So really, for that set of balls, number 2 outstanding. But I didn't go as far as to look at individual machines and individual sets of balls when I was predicting the numbers. I only sort of generally narrowed it down to just the machines and sets of balls that were in use. So when we're looking at set of balls number 3, numbers paired with number 2, and then you see 21 most outstanding because it's most overdue for its frequency to occur with main number 2, set of balls number 3. So those are some ways in which some of the numbers were more predictable than others, and some ways in which the winning numbers were most outstanding. Now if I look at the Thunderballs, okay, the winning Thunderball was number 3, which is there on this chart for numbers occurring with main number 2. If we look at all the Thunderballs, you can see number 3 most outstanding because it's the most frequent. So if we narrow it down to the machine that was used, machine 6, there's number 3. Seems like maybe Thunderball number 8 should have come out for that machine because it's a lot more outstanding, but it didn't. So let's see what happens if we narrow it down to set of balls 3 as well as machine 6. Well, there's number 3, not outstanding on that, but that's what happens. So, bit of a mystery why Thunderball number 3 came out. But anyway, my prediction for the next draw is going to be the same numbers that I put on last time, because none of them came out, so I'm just going to try again with the same numbers. So I hope you found this video useful. Stick around for the next one, and bye for now.